Explore the cutting-edge world of modern gardening tools where innovation meets efficiency. From smart irrigation systems to ergonomic hand tools and high-tech plant monitoring devices, these tools are designed to enhance your gardening experience, making it easier, more productive, and enjoyable. Welcome to the future of gardening technology. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am thrilled to have you join our community. Today, we've got something special in store. So, whether you are a regular viewer or just stopping by, get ready for modern gardening tools worth checking out. Now, let's dive right in. Garden Space. Garden Space is a cutting-edge gardening solution merging artificial intelligence and robotics for efficient plant care. Equipped with a 360-degree camera, it monitors plant health, detecting problems like diseases. This smart garden device automates essential tasks such as watering and fertilizing, optimizing plant growth. Easily controlled through a mobile app, Garden Space empowers users to manage their gardens remotely. Ideal for both novice and experienced gardeners. It offers real-time insights and personalized recommendations. With its intuitive interface and eco-friendly design, Garden Space exemplifies a modern approach to gardening, blending technology with sustainable practices for a thriving garden. Ryobi Kinetic Log Splitter. The Ryobi Kinetic Log Splitter is a powerful and efficient tool designed to streamline the log splitting process. With its kinetic technology, it delivers rapid, forceful strikes for quick log splitting without the need for hydraulic fluid or electricity. The kinetic flywheel system stores energy, releasing it upon contact to effortlessly split logs. Featuring a user-friendly design, it ensures ease of operation and enhanced productivity. The portability and reliability of the Ryobi Kinetic Log Splitter make it an excellent choice for homeowners and professionals seeking a fast and efficient solution for processing firewood without minimal effort. Roamwild Mega Pest Off Squirrel Proof Bird Feeder. The Roamwild Mega Pest Off Squirrel Proof Bird Feeder is a meticulously designed solution for bird enthusiasts seeking to deter unwanted visitors. Equipped with an innovative squirrel-proof mechanism, it features adjustable weight settings, ensuring only birds can access the feeding ports. The feeder's unique design prevents squirrels from gaining access, promoting bird-friendly feeding. It boasts a large capacity, reducing the frequency of refills. Constructed with durable materials, this feeder withstands various weather conditions. With its thoughtful design, the Roamwild Mega Pest Off Squirrel Proof Bird Feeder offers an effective and durable solution to enhance bird watching experiences while deterring pests. Ptek Scatterboard MK4 Bird Scarer. The Ptek Scatterboard MK4 Bird Scarer is an advanced device designed to protect crops and property from avian pests. Utilizing innovative technology, it emits random and sporadic distress calls of various bird species, creating a dynamic and unpredictable environment. With adjustable settings, users can customize the sounds to deter specific bird species effectively. The weather-resistant construction ensures durability in various conditions, ideal for agricultural and industrial applications. The Scatterbird MK4 provides a humane and efficient solution to prevent bird-related damage, safeguarding crops and promoting a more secure environment for property and agricultural endeavors. Tmot 2020. The Tmot 2020 project created a robot with vision control for autonomously navigating and trimming gardens. It operates effectively in uncontrolled outdoor environments without the need for active illuminations or sensors. The robot moves across various terrains and trims rose bushes and basswood topiary to an ideal shape. Based on the Bosch Indigo Robot Lawn Mower, the platform is equipped with 5 pairs of stereo cameras for a complete 360-degree preview. It uses a user-defined garden map and 3D scene analysis to navigate and align itself visually for trimming. The unique electric plant cutter attached to the Kinova Jaco arm handles the trimming process after scanning the bush shape with an arm-mounted stereo camera. Specific actuators and control algorithms were developed for topiary bushes, rotating blades, and rose bushes stem clipper. Hey there, if you are finding value in what we are seeing so far, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you not only stay updated on all our latest content, but you also become a part of our growing community. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps this channel going. So, go ahead, click the subscribe button, and if you haven't already, tap the notification bell too. That way, you will never miss out on the exciting stuff we have coming up. Thanks a bunch, and let us keep this journey going together. Whistle Bulb Planter. The Whistle Bulb Planter is a meticulously crafted gardening tool designed to facilitate seamless bulb planting with precision and ease. Its innovative design features a long, ergonomic handle that minimizes strain on the user's body during operation. The planter's pointed, durable steel tip effortlessly pierces through soil, while the serrated edges ensure efficient cutting through roots and compacted earth. The lightweight yet sturdy construction provides optimal control, and the comfortable grip enhances user experience. Its compact size makes it ideal for navigating tight garden spaces. This versatile tool not only streamlines the bulb planting process, but also ensures accuracy and durability for gardeners seeking a reliable and efficient planting companion. Gardina Star Cut. The Gardina Star Cut is a versatile pruning tool designed for reaching and cutting high branches effortlessly. Featuring a telescopic pole, this lopper extends your reach by up to 6.5 feet, allowing you to trim trees and shrubs without the need for a ladder. The bypass cutting head with precision ground blades ensures clean and efficient cuts, promoting the plant's health. The lightweight aluminum construction provides durability without compromising maneuverability. Additionally, the gear transmission provides increased cutting power, making it ideal for thicker branches. With its ergonomic handles and non-slip grip, the Gardina Star Cut combines efficiency and comfort for a seamless pruning experience. Works AeroCart. The Works AeroCart is a versatile and innovative yard cart designed to simplify various outdoor tasks. Its ingenious design allows it to transform into 8 different configurations, functioning as a wheelbarrow, hand truck, dolly, and more. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, the AeroCart is robust and durable. Its flat-free tires provide stability on various terrains, and the turbo-lift design makes heavy loads feel lighter. The adjustable two-wheel design enhances maneuverability, while the included accessories, such as a flower pot strap and cylinder holder, add extra utility. The Works AeroCart is a practical, multifunctional solution for homeowners tackling a range of yard and garden projects. Little Wonder C5 Blower. The Little Wonder C5 blower is a powerful and compact outdoor equipment designed for efficient leaf and debris removal. With a 5-horsepower engine, this backpack blower delivers high-velocity air at impressive speeds, making quick work of cleaning driveways, lawns, and other outdoor spaces. The ergonomic design and padded straps ensure user comfort during extended use. The blower's advanced impeller technology maximizes airflow, allowing it to handle various debris types effectively. The Little Wonder C5 blower is known for its durability, ease of use, and superior performance, making it a reliable choice for both residential and professional users in landscaping and lawn maintenance. Gloria Thermolam Biofix. The Gloria Thermolam Biofix is a powerful and eco-friendly weed control tool designed for precision and efficiency in garden maintenance. Operating with a butane gas cartridge, this device generates intense heat, effectively eliminating unwanted vegetation without the need for chemicals. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design ensure user comfort during operation. Equipped with a piezo ignition, the Thermolam Biofix offers instant startup, making it a convenient choice for quick tasks. Its adjustable flame control allows for tailored use, and the robust construction guarantees durability. This tool exemplifies a modern, sustainable approach to weed management, promoting a healthier and greener gardening experience. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. And before we totally end this, how do smart gardening tools impact the efficiency of garden care? Let us know in the comments section below. As always, your comments and feedback are welcome. Until next time, thank you for being a fantastic part of our community. See you in the next video.